let it bang.
Hello guys, so in this section we are looking at Matplotlib. So just quickly create a new notebook file and name it Matplotlib. So we have renamed it. Uh, Now we have to import libraries. Matplotlib.pyplot. Here matplotlib.pyplot is used to make graphs, and you can name it as PLT. Okay, so matplotlib. Okay. Okay, now it's very good that you import NumPy here also because it will be very useful while building graphs. Let's make a simple line graph. In this video, we are going to look at some line graphs. First, let's create an array p dot arrange. Here we can get an x, and now for the y, we can use random function also. Random dot rand int 0 to 20, and here we also need 11 elements, right? So we both have same elements here, and now to plot it we have to write few syntax like plt dot plot, and here we can write x comma y. Yeah, so in this way you can see this graph. Okay, this is the line plot. Now you can do certain things here. For example, you can add labels. X label, here you can write something like time, or just name it as x, x axis, and in the y you can name it as y axis. Okay, label, it's not label A. Yeah, so you will see that x axis and y axis, also you can give a title also. You can give a title, plt dot title. You can give x versus y. You will have title also, and also you can do certain things like changing the color. uh, let's change the color of this line to something else. We can change this to red also. Yeah, similarly other colors also, we can also go for green. And this looks very small, so we can also increase this. We can use font size attribute, font size. Press tab here, font not this, font size. Yeah, it's not coming. Font size, give it certain like 10, and we can also use this for y level. And let's give our title to a little bigger font size. Yeah, so it's good now. Okay, so let's give it 20. Now it's better. Now we can see it's clearly. Also we can change the style lines, which we are seeing here. It's a proper line. We can also change the line style. So just mention line and press tab. You'll see certain things. Here we are not seeing. Okay, line style, and you can here mention. Okay, it will be loading. That's why line style, and here you can give, for example, colon for dotted lines, and also there is one this. Oh, okay, this will be hyphen dot. Yeah, so hyphen dot, you can get lines like this, and also dashed line using double dash, or you can go for its simple line. So like this you can get different lines. This is not possible. Okay, so to get the main line you can go for simple. Yeah, but now in this case let's line be dotted so that we can play a little bit. We can also change the size of this line. We can change the line size at using the line size attribute. We can also change the line size. uh, it's called line width actually. The default is 1. You can give anything else from it. For example, let's give 3, so it's bigger. And now go for 8. Okay, so you can see where it's very bigger. Let's go for 3. Looks better. Yeah, so like this we can use these plot. Also we can do certain things like we can also give ticks also. The ticks you are seeing here in the x-axis is 0 2, and now we can also change it to x ticks. And here we can also give np dot arrange from 0 to 11, so we will get 0 to 10, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so like this we can get. Similarly for y also we can get the same ticks. Let's do for y also. Yeah, so you can get for both. Actually we have taken y to 20, so we can extend it a little bit, 25 till. Yeah, now it will be much better. Yeah, or just give it to 20. Yeah, so this looks much better. um like this you can play with it. And also you can give legends also. You can plot multiple graphs in here. Yeah, for example, let's plot a different plot here. Plt dot plot and y comma x here. Now if we see that we are seeing two graphs here. Okay, so it doesn't make any sense right now, but uh, you can get an idea that of it. So let's give it a label, uh, x1 comma x versus y. And here we can also give a label to this plot, y versus x. So in this way if you run it, see you have not seen legends here. You have the label you have given here. So in order to make it active you have to give an attribute called plt dot legend. Okay, so now you can see here the legends are active and it will be automatically adjusted to the best place. Similarly you can plot some different graphs also.